What is up, guys? Devin Driver Motorsports here today with another real wheel horsepower video. Today we have this beautiful Toyota Crown. This is the smaller, this is the little brother to the Crown Majesta. This is a Crown Royal Saloon. This one is special because it's got a 4-cylinder turbo diesel. So this engine is a 2LTE. I'm pretty sure that it's similar to the engines that come in the Prados. It's got a top mount turbo, no intercooler, straight to business. Super awesome car. It's equipped with 19-inch Eurolines, works, the jam. This is one of the best VIP cars in my opinion. Just putting it out there. We did not know that it came with diesels until this one. This is our very first diesel. Super sick. So as you can see, we got strapped to the dyno. We're gonna see how much power she makes, mainly how much torque she makes. Stay tuned. Guys, you will not believe the horsepower that this thing just put down. 74 horsepower and 130 foot-pounds of torque. Now, this thing might be a slouch in horsepower, but it's got all the comfort you need and it's got the reliability that you need too. So this thing is actually for sale on drivermotorsports.com. So head on over. If it's sold, when you go back on the website, hit us up. We can source you one. Don't worry, there's plenty of them. This one in specific has super low miles, has 92,000 kilometers, which is higher for these VIP cars, but it's pretty good for diesel. This thing, we built a custom exhaust and a custom intake for it. This thing, that's even with some power mods, so it's kind of a slouch, but like I said, it's got the VIP style and it rides like a cloud. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell us what you want to see in the future.